Hello to the selection committee and to Chair Megan Harris. My name is Abdija Tripathi, and as an incoming pre-med biology student, my understanding of international relations is not something I've only read about in textbooks. It is something I have physically felt. It is a landscape I have physically lived. My perspective on cultural exchange was forged between two completely contrasting worlds. For a significant part of my life, my world was Warwickshire in England. Warwickshire offered a certain polished, quiet constancy. The historic corridors, the structured schedules, and the environment where life moved with predictable elegance. But then came my transition to India. Suddenly, I went from those quiet corridors to those vibrant and highly high intensity floors of Lucknow. I exchanged quiet green landscapes for crowded classrooms, heavy local textbooks, and a community pursuing with raw energy distinct languages and entirely different societal expectations. Initially, navigating the cross continental shift felt like standing at the edge of a massive communicative chasm. The idioms were different, the structural rhythms of daily education were completely reversed, and the cultural nuances required entirely new ears to listen. But as I integrated into both of these societies, I realized something profound. Culture is not a barrier to be conquered, it is a lens to be understood. Living in the UK taught me the value of structured execution, the global standards, and quiet diplomacy. Living in India taught me resilience, the beauty of deep communal global interconnectedness, and how to find shared human values in the middle of chaotic environments. This dual lens upbringing completely shattered my monolithic view of the world for me. It forced me to become a chameleon in communication, learning to listen what people mean rather than what just they say. This specific global insight is what exactly prepares me to serve as an international ambassador for Carroll University. When international students step onto our campus this fall, many will experience the exact emotional and cultural disorientation that I faced. They will be trying to bridge the gap between where they came from and where they are exactly standing. As an ambassador, I just don't want to hand out campus maps. I want to be an active, empathetic bridge. Because I have lived on both sides of the geographic and cultural spectrum. I can meet a student from any background and instantly validate their transition. I want to use my voice, my multilingual background, and my experience in building cross border initiatives to foster an ecosystem at Carroll. I'm ready to bring the global perspective forged in classrooms of England and India to the heart of Carroll University, and I would be deeply honored to represent our international student body as an ambassador. Thank you so much for your time and consideration.